Thank you for inviting us today. So, could you please introduce yourself?
Sure. My name is Rasit ASILOGLU. I've graduated at Karadeniz Technical University, and after my bachelor degree, I came Japan for graduate school education. And I obtained my master and PhD degrees at Nagoya University in the research area of soil microbiology. And after PhD, I obtained a job in Niigata University at the Faculty of Agriculture. And since 2017, I have been working at Niigata University as an assistant professor. And my major role is, one is educational aspect. In educational aspect, I am involved in the student exchange programs with Turkey. And in academic aspect, I work with, my major is soil microbiology, and I have my own laboratory on applied protistology.
You said a student exchange program you have, so could you talk about it a little more?
Sure. So in 2017, I started my job here as a coordinator at Glocal H program. So Glocal H program involved with 5 universities, 2 from Japan, Niigata and Fukushima universities, and 3 from Turkey, Ege, Ankara, and Middle East Technical Universities. So we had student exchange between these 5 universities, and in total we had about 200 students. About 100 students visited Japan and 100 Japanese students visited Turkey. And this project was quite successful. We had many fruitful outcomes. So, for instance, one student, actually 2 students, two Turkish students who came to Japan, currently working at Japanese companies, and one PhD exchange student currently working as an assistant professor in our university. And also Japanese students took advantage of our program, so it was very successful. And thanks to our success at Glocal H, we obtained max scholarship specific to Niigata University and Turkish and Middle East students. And currently we have about 18 Turkish students working as studying at Niigata University with max scholarships.
Please tell us about your research activities.
Okay, so my major is soil microbiology, but especially I work with protists. So I have applied protistology laboratory. So protists are one of the major microbial groups in soil ecosystem, and they have important ecological roles as predators who feed on other microorganisms. And we have photosynthetic protists, for instance, algae, so the green organism you can see on top of waters, lake, etc. And another important group is harmful pathogens. They may cause devastating effect on plant growth. And another group is decomposers. They are very important for nutrient cycling in soil ecosystem. And so although I research on all of those groups, mainly I focus on predators, especially prey-predator interaction between protists and bacteria.
Do you have any message for prospective students who want to come to Japan or Niigata University?
Living in another country may be scary for some people, especially for young students. But I must admit that so Japanese people are very welcome and very friendly. So ever since I moved Japan, so Japanese people are very helpful to me. So I didn't had any big troubles in Japan. So I can definitely advise students to visit Japan. And there are many benefits to living or study in Japan. One of the major benefits is the Japanese educational system is very good, very improved compared to at least Turkey or another countries. And also the scientific knowledge and scientific achievements of Japan are very high level. So most of the time we don't have any financial problems, or we have the newest equipments. So we can do many new research in here. So it's very good way to learn science at Japanese universities.
What do you advise to prospective students who wants to come to Japan and study here?
We have all we need here to study. Supervisors are very kind and helpful to improve our research skills and abilities. Any kind of laboratory equipment, device or facility is provided by the university. And living in Japan is a unique experience that will never be forgotten. Please come to Japan.